The global version of the Realme GT6 is finally here, and it looks beyond promising. The phone shines with a cool and stylish design. A premium Dolby Vision OLED, one of the fastest chips, top-tier cameras, long battery life, and fast charging. The phone has a sleek body measuring 162.0 by 75.1 by 8.7 millimeters and weighing 191 g, featuring Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front with a plastic frame and back, along with IP65 dust and water resistance. Its impressive 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display offers a stunning visual experience with 1 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR support, and high brightness levels reaching 1600 nits in regular mode and 6000 nits at peak brightness, all at a resolution of 1264 x 2780px with a 19.79 to 9 aspect ratio and 450 ppi. There is an under-display fingerprint scanner placed around the bottom, which works almost flawlessly. Powered by the Qualcomm SM8635 Snapdragon 8's Gen 3 chipset and Adreno 735 GPU, it comes in configurations of 256 GB storage with 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, or 512 GB storage with 16 GB RAM using UFS 4.0 technology. Running on Android 14 with Realme UI 5.0, its rear camera setup comprises a 50MP wide lens with OIS, a 50MP telephoto lens, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, while the front camera offers 32MP for selfies. Video recording capabilities include 4K at 30/60 FPS for the rear camera and 4K at 30 frames per second for the front. The Realme GT6 features a stereo speaker system, where there is one speaker at the bottom of the phone, and the earpiece serves as another with the help of a second top-facing outlet. It houses a sizable 5,500 mAh battery with superfast 120W wired charging that promises 1 to 50% charge in just 10 minutes. Connectivity options include 5G support, dual SIM capability, Wi-Fi 6, BT 5.4, NFC, and an infrared blaster, complemented by a fingerprint reader under the display and stereo speakers for immersive audio experiences. All in all, the Realme GT6 is a great upper-tier smartphone with a well-rounded set of features. It has a potent main camera, good zoom camera, snappy chipset, flagship-grade LTPO OLED panel, fast charging, excellent battery life, blazing fast charging, and loud and good-sounding speakers. In a sense, the GT6 covers all the bases.